Hi guys, I'm the Asia Lorraine if you didn't know, and welcome back to a new video. So today's video I'm going to teach you and show you how I take product pictures, especially if you are a small business. You should definitely watch this video. And plus I'm also going to show you how I edit my pictures as well. All of this is free, so you don't have to buy anything. Well, if you don't have it, then you probably have to buy it. So I'm just gonna teach you simple steps and apps to use to edit. It's gonna be very basic, very easy guide to show you. But yeah guys, let's get right into the video. So obviously when you are starting a business, you don't need a professional camera to take pictures. A lot of small businesses thinking that they have to use your phone. This is the iPhone 12 Max Pro, and this is like literally my freaking professional camera. This phone literally takes some bomb pictures. And I do recommend you guys purchase updated iPhone. You know, my iPhone XR last year, and that's what I was using to take my product pictures. Saying that it came out bad and blurry, like it came out great. Like, I did notice like a difference within my pictures. I need to upgrade my phone, and then that's when I got the newest iPhone, and my pictures have never came out so great. I got a lot of people, a lot of like, you know, other small businesses asking me like, hey, are you using a camera? Like, no, I'm literally using my iPhone to take some bomb pictures that looks like it's taken from a freaking Canon, a Sony professional camera. You guys upgrade your phone. By the way, you don't have to get an iPhone. You could get like Samsung, but I've always been an iPhone girl, so I just know like the quality of this phone. You're right here, so you guys can see how I take these pictures. Oh, this is my favorite. So it looks, you would think I took it on the camera that I'm using right now, but no, it's actually on my iPhone, and I'll insert more. And what I love about this camera honestly is that it takes some really bomb videos as well. I really do use a filter on Instagram to like give that pop. It just looks so professional, and I'm like, this is like a great investment and for my business as well, because you know I'm always taking pictures on my iPhone. I don't really have time to get out a big camera and like literally screenshot it and then upload it to my, that's just a waste of time. Stay to one of these phones and really put out great high quality content for your Instagram so you could grab potential customers' attention. Where you guys should take your product pictures, I do recommend outside. I do recommend that you guys go outside, go while it's sunny out, so that's what the sun is hitting. Photos that I showed you is me taking it outside. It just really captures, you know, your products better and bring out the quality of your product. And let's just say if you live in an area or a state or whatever that doesn't have any sun, one day it's just very cloudy, you really need to take pictures, I do recommend you guys buy a ring light. Here is one right here, and it is very expensive. Using right now is like almost $100. However, it was a great investment because I use it ring light, and then I use the backdrop behind me and take very nice pictures or videos with my camera. So that's why you guys really need to invest in a great ring light. I know it's going to cost a lot of money, but sis, the ring light that I have has lasted me for a very long time. Spend money to get more money. Just remember that. I'll put in the description down below where I got mine. It's just very brightening, and that's why I love it. We agree 100%. The natural lighting is obviously way better. Now I am going to show you how I edit my pictures. So editing my pictures for my products is very simple and easy. Me, I do like to go over the top when it comes to editing my pictures, just because I love when my pictures is standing out. I'm going to show you guys my feed on Instagram before I show you how to edit the pictures. You guys really want to have a theme on Instagram. Well, not really a theme. Your products stand out, add some color. Whatever colors your brand is, use that. And like for me, you really see like very bright pictures, a lot of green, a lot of pink. I just feel like it's giving like very like cute vibes. Like I just love it. I give out free tips on how to grow your business. Don't even buy that BS course that people be selling, because I just don't see what's the point of, you know, people buying courses when you can find it on YouTube. They edit on Prequel. This specific filter does give out like that pop. I'm gonna use this one. I know this one's like sideways, whatever, but we're just gonna use this one to use. Is the Tikok filter, and I just love this filter. Just like scroll all the way to like 24, and then it's already sharpened. I like to go to effects and then use the VHS. If you don't see it right away, I believe it's on TV, and then VHS, and then I like to go to number 2, and then of course I just like to lower the filter, the noise, go to hub, and I take off play. How vibrant, you know, the colors, look at the rainbow, like it's, and that is why I like Prequel, because it really brings out the product. 4, and this is the after. A huge difference. On the comment down below, which one do you like? Do you like the before or do you like the after? And let me know why. I use Facetune. They have a smoothing out button where you can like smooth it out. I use that as well. Another thing I do recommend, if you want to really text and stuff, I do recommend you use Canva. I use Canva on a daily. I use it mostly for Instagram stories, and it's also free. However, if you want to get a lot of elements and stuff like that, it is going to cost like $12.99 every month. I feel like it's definitely worth it, and especially if you are a business owner, invest in these type of things, because you will want your stories, Instagram stories, to really just stand out. Unique, I think so myself, unique stories. So I do recommend you guys use Canva. Canva is very easy to use, it's free, it's simple, and yeah, that's what I like about it. I talked about the lighting, the camera you should use, how I edit my pictures. So thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you haven't already, shop Lorraine XO Beauty and XO Beauty Wholesale, then I definitely recommend you go shop. We also provide free tips as well to help you get started. I put the email and the phone number. You guys can go contact us and we'll provide free tips for you guys. Yeah babes, I just offered the video. Guys, next time, bye.